Hello, so I'm going to be showing you how I do my nose contour and highlight. So first we're going to get some cream blush, this one's e.l.f. and just dab it on the tip of my nose like that. Now I'm going to go in with a bronzer contour and just add some depth. I'm not placing it anywhere specific, I'm really just covering my nose. But you'll see why. Now, I'm using a concealer and a little brush, and I'm just gonna add where I'm gonna highlight, like that, and put a little bit on the sides. I'm going to use the end of my beauty blender to blend that so there's no contour on it, and just lightly blend that out. Not too much though. Now I'm using my powder. This is the RCMA powder. It comes in this gigantic bottle and there's a lot there, so I'm just getting a little brush first and just setting my snoot. Alright, now that my face is set, I'm gonna go in with the NYX Jumbo Eyeliner in Milk, and I'm just putting that on the tip of my nose where I put that concealer. Not entirely where the concealer went, but as you can see, I also like to put it here. Now I'm just going to tap it out with my finger, and wherever I've put it, really, like that. And now I'm going to use this highlighter from Kaleidos in Star Surfer and just put it right over the top of where that eyeliner went. Like that. And if you want to be a bit more extra, you can get a white liquid liner and do a tiny little on top, just to make it pop a bit more. I usually don't put any on the bridge though. I'll show you what it looks like when my face is completely done. Hello, this is the finished makeup look. It is Christmassy. I hope you like it. So that is how I do my nose contour and highlight. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you for watching, and let me know if you want to know any other makeup things or tips, or if you want to know how I do this makeup for Christmas, let me know in the comments. Bye.